In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files in Google Drive using the drag and drop method versus the file picker, as well as explore how these methods differ and which one might be best suited for your needs. To begin with, let's dive into the drag and drop method. Open your web browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and navigate to your Google Drive. Once you're in, find the folder where you want your files to be uploaded. This could be within your personal drive or perhaps in a shared location. Now, open a file explorer on your computer. This would be Windows File Explorer or Mac's Finder. From here, select the file or files you wish to upload. If your browser supports it, you can even select an entire folder for upload. This is particularly useful for recent versions of Chrome or Firefox, but do keep in mind that some older browsers may not support folder drag and drop. Once you've made your selection, simply click and hold, then drag those items over to the Google Drive browser window. When you see that you're in the right destination folder on screen, let go of the mouse button to drop them in. The upload process will begin automatically, and you should see a progress indicator, usually in the bottom right corner of your screen, showing the status of your upload. Once everything is complete, your files will appear in the destination folder you've chosen. The drag and drop method shines when you have just a few files to upload quickly. It's a very intuitive process, especially if you already have those files open in a file management window and you just want to drop them directly into Drive. On the other hand, let's explore how to use the file picker method in Google Drive. For this, start by clicking the New button on the left sidebar within Drive. You'll be given a couple of options. You can select File Upload to open a standard file picker window and choose one or more files, or you can select Folder Upload to select an entire folder from your computer, including any subfolders, if the browser supports this feature. After making your selections, you'll click either Open or Upload to start the process. Again, just like with drag and drop, you'll wait for the upload to complete, and the files or folders will be added to your drive in the designated location. The file picker method is particularly useful when you're dealing with numerous files or a comprehensive folder structure. It's a reliable, controlled process, ideal if you specifically need the folder upload option to maintain a folder's internal structure, or if your browser doesn't support drag and drop well. To sum it up, each method has its strengths. Drag and drop is quick and intuitive for a few files, while the file picker offers a more structured and reliable approach for larger uploads or when folder hierarchy matters. Consider your specific needs and browser capabilities when deciding which method to use.